I can go past them. This is what everybody wants to see, right? Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. This is Naked Bike Mike, back with you again with a new safe setup, different helmet, and I'm trying to see. I'm experimenting with the things, you know. I changed the frame rate on my GoPros to 30. Had it at 60, dropped it down to 30, see if I get some more battery life at it, and went to Super View on the Hero 4. I gotta get a Hero 7 eventually, but we'll see. And this is at the 1080 30 frames per second. I'm wearing the HJC RHPA 11 Pro helmet that I got at so far. Oh, it's wet. So far, the helmet is okay. It's light. I mean, when you go from an AGV, which is what I'm used to, and I can pass this guy. Talking to myself. So yes, I got the HJC RHPA 11 Pro that is pretty comfortable. It's very light. Quality wise, it's not too bad from what I can tell. Materials, it's not quite par with the AGV, obviously, because it's a lot cheaper. It seems to flow. I've got the one chin vent closed. I guess that goes right to your chin, because of just to save from having too much wind noise on my bike. I have the other one, the main, like the big one in the front, open. I think that vents to the shield. I can kind of feel that a little bit in my eyeball area. My eyeballs are getting a little bit of air, and excuse. I have the top vents just cracked a little bit because it's a little cool right now. It's in the 50s. I'll open them up later. But just before I started this recording, I went on a 205, which is interstate or highway, whatever you want to call it, with this thing on, and it seemed like it was flowing some pretty good air. I got a little bit of, you know, buffeting. It's like nothing too crazy, but you know, 70-80 miles an hour, you're gonna get something upright. Right now, I can feel the wind, you know, the airflow around my face, and I have earplugs in. I'll slow down because there's a stop sign. I've got earplugs in, but from what I can tell, compared to like the AGV, the Pista and the Corsa, this is I think it's a little bit noisier. But I can't tell for sure because of the earplugs. A bump in the road, so to speak. Literally. I hate when people say that word, like that's the new catchword or whatever. Literally. I was walking down the street and literally the rain started falling on my head. And literally I got wet. And literally I didn't know what to do. And literally, I I pulled out my umbrella, and literally it stopped the rain from falling on my head. Literally. Along the side, I can see the beautiful sights of the Pacific Northwest out here in the Pacific Northwest. Oregon. It's an Oregon. I got organs in my body, and I live in Oregon. But it's the same thing. I don't know. And it is. Cruising along, heading up to the mountain. I got cars in front of me, so that tells me that there's probably going to be a slow ride. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't even know if this is recorded. I'm gonna swing it back. Swing it back. And it is on. But it's not recording. Oh, son of a biatch. Oh, what do we got going on here? Oh, crap. Oh, we're recording now. Woo, look at that. Yeah. Oh, that was a waste. Okay. We're back. We're back in business. I think. Yeah, this is recording, that's recording, everything's recording. Audio check. Video check. All that check. Checks and balances. Check it out. Check it all out. You know, pop and pop. Poppity pop. As always, I appreciate comments and all that stuff you guys want to put on my videos here. It's always nice to hear from people's opinions on how I ride like crap and how I sound like an idiot. And this is my disclaimer for that. I actually went back and watched a few of my early videos I did, and to be honest with you, be totally honest, there's some horses. There's some horses out here, man. That leads me to my next irritating thing that people probably don't like, and I don't care because it makes me feel good. I did a lot of different voices. Well, a few, just a couple, maybe 3. And my regular voice, which is like this, you know, just make it like, yeah, right, man. And then you got my Italian attempt at an Italian accent. Oh, what's this guy doing? He's turning where the balloons are, man. Oh, put the clutch out. Yeah. And then the other voice I did was it like a redneck. Come on, man. You know, I was doing that. I was watching. I was talking like a redneck because my bikes were fast and I was in Florida, so I had to talk like a redneck. I guess made me feel good, you know. Talk like a guy from the South, man. Because that's where I was at. It just comes out of me. I get excited and I talk like that. I don't know if it's a southern accent or just a I don't know. My nose is a little stiffened. I have to excuse my sniffling. Chill in the air. It probably irritates people to some people probably they don't like it. And I'm not sure if I would like it myself. But it makes me feel, I don't know, feel something. But I give another shout out to my man, Mr. Desmo. That's his Instagram. He's got a new YouTube channel, Mr. Desmo. Check him out. like I said in my previous vlog, he's got about 600 or 700 GoPros or something like that, something along those lines, you know, attached to his motorcycle, either his Panigale or his multi-strada, and he's got all these different angles, and he's trying to put something together. So go check him out. He's a good guy, man. He's a good guy. He's a good kid. Back to my the thing here. We'll do this. Okay, my friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I have to cut this out. Put it in the back. Cut it out. Put it in the front so you don't forget it in the back. That's what I say. Nobody says that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is Snake Bike Mike. Click on the like and the follow if you want to. If you don't, okay, whatever. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Arrivederci, ciao, and goodbye, my friends. We'll see you later.